Hi guys, welcome to our today's training. We show you today a rowing exercise on the lat pull down. So how do you do this exercise? Nuria will show you. She's our today's model. So the first step, you watch how we do that. Second step, just jump into our training and feel the exercise. Now, Nuria, grab up. What she's doing, she's sitting. First, she's getting tense in her abs, then she goes down. Then she is sitting here inside that she has here a 90-degree angle. So please look that you make every setting on the machine in that way that you can really do the exercise. Great. You see, she is now laying completely to the back. She has her head in the extended way of her body. She has tense in her abs and also here a little bit feeling of pulled from the straight ab muscle, just to be sure that here is everything fixed. Do the exercise only if you're very healthy and in good medical conditions. If you're not sure, ask your medical advisor first. So now we breathe deeply in and pull the weights to the chest. That's right. And we go up again. Here it's important that you hold your shoulders always fixed on the point, so you don't go up and let it come out. So you hold your shoulders fixed and then you pull back. And again, breathe out when you go down. Be a little bit closer, Nuria, even with your elbows to your body. Breathe in. Let your head always in that position. And breathe out again. Go down. That's right. And go up. Perfect. You could see how that exercise works. So now we want that you just jump into our training to do this exercise, although 3 reps together with Nuria. So first, please start to breathe in and out. Again, deeply breathe in and out. And while you breathe in and out, give tense in your abs, feel the abs and make the tense even stronger and stronger. Now imagine in front of your eyes how Nuria was doing the exercise and how you will now do the exercise with your own body and how this movement is right. From there, you go into the exercise, you hold the tense in your abs, you grab the grip, and now you go down. You go in a 90-degree angle here. You go completely down, back, back, back. Your head is in the extension of your body. Go a little bit more up, Nuria. That's perfect. And you hold it here. You have altered the position that you can make it more in this angle, a little bit more incline. The muscle wants to be contracted from different angles. So, and now breathe in. That's right. And breathe out. Exactly. And when she breathes in, she pulls the shoulder blades as much as she can together. No, when she breathes out and when she breathes in, she goes up and she holds always the shoulder blades fixated on that point. Perfect. Now we go up. I think you understood how the exercise works. When you want to be sure that you do it right, stay a little bit more in the incline version. And Nuria, thank you for being today's model. And I wish you a great day. Please click the bell, click the follow button, browse our channel and spread the knowledge around, because we want to make the world a fitter place and want to help you to improve your fitness level. Thank you very much. It's your personal trainer, Chris. Bye.